In this video, I will show you how to fix a permanently limited PayPal account. When your account is permanently limited, it usually means PayPal has detected a risk or policy violation. First, go to paypal.com and log into your account. Once inside, check the Resolution Center for any instructions. You can also use the search bar to find the PayPal Help Center where you can contact customer support directly. From there, you can message them or use the Resolution Center to request a second review. Be respectful when asking for your account to be reopened. If PayPal does not lift the limit, you'll need to wait 180 days, after which you can withdraw your funds to a linked bank account even if the account remains limited. Unfortunately, if PayPal refuses to remove the limitation, you cannot reopen that account again. However, you can create a new account using different details, such as a new name and email. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to How to Tutor.